Welcome to Module 8, Key Concepts and Implementation, where we will focus on fraud detection and prevention. Section 8.1 covers understanding fraud risks, which includes financial, operational, and IT fraud. We will also examine red flags and fraud indicators, such as behavioral anomalies, unusual transactions, and control weaknesses. In 8.2, we explore the auditor's role in fraud detection. This involves conducting fraud risk assessments to identify susceptible areas and evaluating internal controls. Investigation techniques utilize data analysis, forensic auditing, and interviews. 8.3 focuses on implementing anti-fraud programs. This includes preventative controls like segregation of duties and detective controls, such as regular audits. Effective reporting mechanisms, including hotlines, are crucial for encouraging fraud reporting. Module 9 addresses special topics in internal audit, including compliance auditing, operational auditing, and ESG audits. These topics represent important areas of modern audit practice. Compliance auditing ensures adherence to regulations, policies, and standards, focusing on legal compliance to avoid penalties. Many compliance audits are tailored for specific sectors like finance and healthcare. Examples of industry-specific compliance audits include Sarbanes-Oxley for financial services, HIPAA for healthcare data protection, and adherence to acts like the Clean Air and Clean Water Acts for environmental compliance. Operational and performance auditing involves assessing efficiency and effectiveness. This evaluation focuses on resource use and process improvements to identify bottlenecks and recommend changes. Value for money, or VFM. Auditing evaluates economy, efficiency, and effectiveness. Economy minimizes costs while maintaining quality. Efficiency maximizes outputs, and effectiveness ensures outcomes align with organizational objectives. Environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, audits cover sustainability. These audits assess environmental impact, resource use, carbon footprint, and compliance with related laws and regulations. Corporate social responsibility, or CSR, audits evaluate ethical business practices and social impact. The focus is on labor practices, community engagement, and ethical sourcing, ensuring alignment with CSR goals. Module 10 addresses professional development and trends in internal audit, focusing on core competencies, emerging trends, and ethics. Section 10.1 focuses on developing core competencies. Auditors need a wide range of skills and knowledge, and continuing professional development, or CPD, is essential to remain effective. Key skills include technical expertise, analytical thinking, communication skills for clear reporting, and interpersonal skills for effective relationship building. CPD ensures auditors remain current with trends and standards through certifications like CIA and CPA, training and workshops, and networking at conferences. 10.2 examines trends in internal auditing. The field is evolving due to technological advances, such as AI and big data, and the need to audit effectively in remote or hybrid work environments. Technology reshapes auditing by improving accuracy and efficiency. This includes using AI to automate repetitive tasks, big data for analyzing large data sets, and data analytics to detect fraud and forecast risks. Remote and hybrid environments require adapted methodologies. Remote auditing uses digital tools for evidence gathering, while hybrid auditing combines in-person and remote techniques. Section 10.3 covers ethics and professional judgment in auditing. Auditors must maintain objectivity and independence and adhere to high ethical standards in all decision-making. Maintaining objectivity and independence is vital. Auditors must avoid conflicts of interest, ensure independence from operations, and maintain objectivity in their analysis and reporting. Ethical decision-making demands integrity in reporting and compliance with codes of ethics. Auditors must exercise sound professional judgment in all aspects of their work. Module 11 presents case studies and practical applications, including real-life case studies and simulated exercises to apply learned concepts. Real-life audit failures include the WorldCom and Enron scandals, both of which led to significant regulatory changes like the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and the Volkswagen emissions scandal, a governance failure. Lessons learned from these failures highlight the dangers of a lack of independence, inadequate risk assessment, failure to follow up on known risks, and poor documentation. Simulated internal audits involve scenario creation, audit planning on high-risk areas, fieldwork to examine records, and maintaining detailed documentation in working papers. Mock audit reporting involves drafting a summary of findings and recommendations, presenting the report, and proposing actionable steps for control improvements, followed by tracking corrective actions. Module 12 focuses on certification and career paths in internal audit, providing an overview and details for professional advancement. The Certified Internal Auditor, or CIA, certification is globally recognized. Other valuable certifications include CISA, CRMA, and CFE. Eligibility requires a bachelor's degree and professional experience. Career development spans from entry-level positions like junior auditor to senior roles such as chief audit executive. Advancement often involves specialization, cross-functional moves, and continuous education. This concludes our video on internal audit topics. Thank you for viewing.